When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we've given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And as much as we think we are doing a good job, it's customers like this who tell us about their experience that make us push harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we'd love to have a chance to show you why our customers write us these reviews. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.